Welcome back to Simply Shred. Guess what? Today we are going to Jewel Changi. We are going to show you the world's tallest indoor waterfall and Canopy Park in Jewel Changi.
The Rain Vortex in Jewel Changi is the world's largest and tallest indoor waterfall. The waterfall cascades through an oculus in the roof of Jewel's distinctive glass and steel facade. The waterfall is surrounded by terraces with more than 200 plant species. The terraced garden is referred to as the Shiseido Forest Valley, and it is dotted with small waterfalls. Standing at 40 meters high, this waterfall streams down 7 floors to basement 2, making it a sight to behold from every floor. About 10,000 gallons of water per minute gets pumped through and is reused in the installation. This 7-story waterfall is supplied by rainwater harvesting. The fins outside the dome structure make up a network of pipes that channel water to the ring in the middle of the oculus. The oculus then distributes the water down the rain vortex and gives it an even, complete circular effect. Now we are heading to the Canopy Park. This Canopy Park is located at the topmost level, that is level 5 of Jewel Changi, and it includes discovery slides, foggy bowls, petal garden and topiary walk.
Right now, and we are now entering the topiary walk. We're going to enjoy!
This creative topiary is a selfie paradise that's sure to bring a smile to anyone's face.
Here's what I like to do in most kids. This is our crocodile. Okay? This fountain is awesome. This fountain is awesome. This but okay, it's really nice. You might think I was falling, but Nomi, if you want to dare yourself to do this, you can do this if you want to. Nomi, okay? It's safe though. There's some people out there who will take care of all of that silly stuff, so that's done. Now we are going to the volleyball. Yes, volleyball. Okay, this is the top come out of there. This is going to be really fun. Yeah. So, because the bouncing takes 3 hours. Let's go. I'm feeling very scared and excited. I feel happy and excited and I feel good, happy. I'm okay with it.
Your face is there, not down there.
Never sit on this thing. Your butt will hurt. Number 2, I think you should, if you're really scared and you really want to do this, you can do this, but if you're really scared, do not do this. I just want to fight. We are entering into Metal Garden! This is Spanish moss. This is Spanish moss. Spanish moss, which is also an air plant. The name is called Spanish moss. It is an air plant, but the name is Spanish moss.
Okay.
You don't know why they call it moss. Maybe it's because they look like moss.
Moss.
That's why it's Spanish moss.
There are a few more interesting activities such as Skynet's bouncing, mirror maze, hedge maze and Changi Experience Studio in this integrated entertainment and retail complex. Hope to see you all with another video. See you soon.